East this year, and the reason why is this. You win the NFC East in the trenches. At some point during this season, whether you be the New York Giants, you're going to have to establish the running game. You're going to have to run the football. If you're the Philadelphia Eagles with Carson Wentz, good weapons on the outside with Alshon Jeffrey coming in, Torrey Smith, you're going to have to run the football at some point. The Dallas Cowboys are built to win this division again because they can establish the run, and the quarterback will be in his second year. He'll have even a better season passing the ball. Defense is going to be suspect, but the offensive side of the ball, they'll win games because of it. I think it still comes down to if they can run the ball consistently. Whoever runs the ball more consistently in the NFC East will win the division. And I think, again, you look at Eli Manning, you look at what they're doing with the New York Giants, Odell Beckham, of course, he's probably the superstar in that wide receiver corps. But you bring in Brandon Marshall. But you bring in Brandon Marshall. Can you deal with the personality in that locker room? A lot of personalities in that locker room now and they're going to be deciding who's getting balls, why am I not getting balls?
Darren, Sterling Shepard's the guy who's going to make out from that situation. No one's going to be able to pay any attention to him.
But you have to deal with the locker room issues because you have those divas on the outside the wide receiver position. I still think right now, if you're looking at how this is going to fall out, Cowboys 1, Giants 2, and the Philadelphia Eagles will be fighting for that second spot.
You know, the Cowboys lost that entire defensive backfield. You must be banking on them, taking some of those Romo savings and signing guys who's really left available that they can afford. You got a lot of holes to plug, and you better hope they keep hitting. They got to hit like 3 times in the draft.
This draft is going to be deep with corners.
Let me ask you this question. Let me ask you this question, Darren Woodson, because obviously, what position did you play in the NFL?
Safety.
You played safety position, right? So you're part of that secondary, right? You try to tell me. So in other words, you're sitting here on national television with a straight face. And you're betting on rookies getting drafted and coming into the Dallas Cowboys and immediately producing? Is that what you're saying?
Listen, this is not over with just yet. I mean, it's got the draft.
Dak and Zeke
You have you have some free agents are going to come on board.
What did you just say?
Yeah,
what did you just say? You said the draft is deep. Is that what you said? You say nothing about free agency.
Deep.
You said the draft is deep.
Well, let's talk about the Cowboys secondary. Mo Claiborne is gone, right? So he's moved on. How many games did Mo play last year? And this team still won the NFC East.
Carr, what about him?
Didn't have an interception. Hasn't had an interception in years. I mean, and you're expecting.
Feel good about Scandrick?
You still have guys on that roster. Orlando Scandrick, Brown is coming back. They're going to fill that void with some more free agent cornerbacks, and they'll draft some guys. So you can't sit there and tell me.
You see, on this show, I'm very astute at picking up emotion, and I mean that's what I'm sensing. I mean, it's one thing to get football analysis, but I'm sensing emotion here. I'm sensing wishful thinking. I'm sensing I'm talking with my heart instead of my head. That's what I'm hearing because you set up there, you're dancing all over the place. You can give Max lessons right now. I mean, what am I hearing from you?
Who won the division last year?
That's
all I gotta say.
So what?
Darren,
so what?
What was their record? Hold on. What was their record against?
Who won the Super Bowl last year?
The Redskins won it the year before.
Darren, what was their record against the New York Football Giants?
Patriots.
It was 0-2. Now, does Dallas get pressure on the quarterback? No, they don't. And they're missing their whole defensive backfield, and they're going to have to cover Odell Beckham Jr., Brandon Marshall, and Sterling Shepard without getting pressure on Eli and no one to cover those guys.
They didn't get pressure last year. Who won the division?
You
win the division in the trenches. Who's going to win the trenches? Whose offensive line is the best in the NFC East?
The Cowboys.
Let's just go.
Maybe in the game.
I don't think it's going to be a 13-3 season. I'm not living that dream. There'll be a 10-6 season. And it wouldn't surprise me if the Giants were right there until the last game of the season. I mean, I think these teams are evenly matched.
You're all over the place.
But at the same time,
it's emotion.
If you're going to talk about winning the division, I'm just basing it off who won it last year.
Okay, but wait, Darren, time out 1 second.
This is